Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important because so many candidates received this type of mail from IBM reference to your candidature for Associate System Engineer IBM Consulting. So it is a registration mail update and it is a part 5th video. I already upload 4 videos in this series that is related to IBM off campus hiring. But it is very important update because so many candidates got this type of mail as well as on the different dates. Like some candidates got this type of mail that they have to complete this additional registration process before 26th August or by 26th August. So what is reference number and job ID? 22-23 batch is eligible or not? Why 2024 batch mentioned in job description? Let's start the video. This all videos are for all of you. You can check. One of the most important point that I have to mention that in the IBM portal they mention that entry level. Okay, so we can understand that freshers can apply for this opportunity, but in the required education they mentions bachelor's degree. So 2024 is still not received any of the degree, like any of the bachelor's degree. Only 22 batch as well as 23 batch will received the bachelor's degree. Okay, so where it is mentioned that only 2024 batch is eligible for this opportunity and only on campus candidates are apply for this opportunity, because we received this type of mail reference to your candidature for Associate System Engineer IBM Consulting. Okay, they just mentioned that the candidate reference number, note this is a candidate reference number, fill this form to complete registration. Okay, so one of the most important point, how to find the candidate reference number. So this type of mail is received, if you received this type of mail, like they are already sent this type of mail to candidates and it is from enterprise@trm.bracing.com. It is from the IBM and in the last they mention that this is a reference number and you have to use this reference number in the IBM actual form. Okay, this is one of the most important point. What about the job ID? So the job ID is on the IBM portal itself. On the Associate System Engineer hiring, okay, they mention that this is a requisition ID. So this is called the job ID. On the page itself, it is mentioned like this. So this is a job ID. So it is a job ID and reference number is present on this form. Okay, so reference number are different for every candidate and they shared all the this type of mail to candidates. After that they are sharing that reference to your candidature for Associate System Engineer and you have to complete the process. Okay, let's check out the form, how to fill the form. First of all, they mention first name, last name. Okay, so email address, phone number, what gender, region, how do you hear about its opportunity. So this is a IBM candidate reference number. So you will receive it on registered email ID post completion of registration on IBM career portal. So you have to put your reference number here. Okay, so you will receive mail from the IBM team. IBM job ID is this. Okay, this is the IBM job ID. After that, there is a highest qualification degree. Suppose I choose BE, BTech or any, like if you can choose BE, BTech. So what is the highest qualification year of course enrollment? So this is very confusion. Okay, this is a very confusion point, because if one most important point, if they just mention that 2019, 2020, okay, they just mentioned that 2019, 2020, 2021 and 2022. So basically what about 2018? Okay, and let's check out this. You can see that in the highest qualification year of pass out, they mention that 22 batch, 23 batch, 24 batch, 25 batch. So why the 2018 is not mentioned? I think there is some type of error, or only some of the batches is eligible for this opportunity, but even on the job portal page they not mentioned. So if you are from 22 batch, you can select 2019 because we have no option. Okay, we have no option of 2018 here. After that you can select your batch. if you are from like suppose if you are from 2023 batch, so 17 batch is pass out in 21, 18 batch is pass out in 22. So the 18 year is not mentioned, we are considering the 19. But what we can do, because there is no option here, and for the 20 year 2023 batch is there, and for the 21-24 batch is there. Okay, so if the 22 batch is not eligible, so why they mention 21, 22, 23, 24, 25? I think there is some error or something like that. So you can choose this type, or if you are from 23 batch, so you can choose this, and you can choose year as a 2019, because for the 23 batch 19 is the year. Okay, so like for the 1923 batch is there. So basically you can check this. So after that, highest qualification branch, college name, college state, university name, and 10th registration number. 10th registration number on your mark sheet mention. If you are from state board, CBSE, active backlog, you have to fill this form here, and you have to submit all the form. But there is one of the most important point also, and this is very, very important. In the job description, they mention that only 2024 batch is eligible. Okay, so this is the job description, and they just mention that this is a entry level on campus hiring position, and candidate must be in the final year of education. Year of pass out is 2024, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA and CSIT. So one of the most important point I have to mention in this video, it will totally depends on IBM team whether they will send the test mail to 22-23 batch or not. Okay, because this is very confusion, because even they not mention that this is a on campus hiring. This is on the IBM official portal, and where it is mentioned only 24 batch can apply for this opportunity. But I think in the job description they mention that also 2024 batch on campus student can also apply for this opportunity if they shared this opportunity with the on campus candidates also. But why in the form they mention that the 22 pass out year, 23 pass out year, 24 pass out year? So I suggest all of you to, if like, you can fill form by just selecting some of the points, and if they will consider the 22-23 batch, so you will receive IBM exam mail from IBM team. So hope for the best. If you select the 2019, and if you are pass out in 22, if you select the basically like if you select the 2019 and 2023, so let's wait for the exam mail, that candidates got the exam mail or not. So I hope this video is useful for everyone, and I am also thinking that why it is happen like in the form itself. But I suggest all of you to, you can apply for this opportunity, what we can do as of now, and apply for the previous opportunity and new job opportunities as well. Thanks for watching the video.